Today we're gonna be microwaving bread. I've only seen toasted bread from the toaster. I've never seen microwaved bread. I'm gonna try that out right now. Grabbing a slice of, not as if we're going to be grabbing a slice of bread. And we're gonna put it in the microwave. What the? Okay, that's 15 seconds. And I'll catch you guys later. Oh, but it's done. Where's it? Where's it? It's in the back. It's too hot. Oh shit! Oh. It's like melty, like soggy, like boiling soggy bread. But for the content, I gotta give it the taste test. Here goes nothing. It's not actually that bad. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next stupid thing, and I'll see y'all next month.